Automation versus AI agents. Automation is fast. AI agents are smart. Understanding the difference ensures you always choose the right tool for the job. Automation follows fixed logic, runs instantly, handles one goal along a single path, and is great for simple, structured tasks. AI agents use flexible reasoning, think step by step, can explore multiple paths, handle messy inputs, and are ideal for complex or fuzzy tasks. For example, sending a welcome email after sign-up is best handled by automation, while summarizing a messy customer message and responding appropriately is best for an AI agent. The real power comes when you combine both approaches, leveraging their respective strengths, combining automation and agents. The real magic happens when you combine automation and AI agents. Automation handles structure and predictable flows, while agents handle the thinking and decision-making inside those flows. For example, a hybrid system might work like this. Automation receives a webhook message. The AI agent classifies the message and drafts a reply, and automation then sends the reply and logs the result. By combining both, you create smart systems that can manage structured processes while adapting to unpredictable inputs. This is how professionals build scalable, efficient, and intelligent automation solutions. Choosing the right tool, use automation for fixed, repeatable logic. Use AI agents for flexible, human-like decisions. Together, they form smart, scalable systems that handle both structure and uncertainty. Mastering the combination of automation and agents allows you to solve complex business problems efficiently, giving you the foundation to create hybrid systems that deliver real-world results.